Welcome back to MindMoves with Oksana, space where we train our brains with our bodies. Today, triple exercise. We have bunny ears. It's principle. All exercises will be with bunny ears. Here, bunny ears. Here, one. And change, and change, and change, and change, and change. Then bunny ears and great. And change, and change, and change, and change. Then bunny ears and okay. And change, more difficult, more difficult. You will take some time to practice this. Okay, now you know the exercise. What is the reason for this exercise? Is that you are switching between two hemispheres, left and right. And you should also coordinate your memory. Why? Because sometimes you use one exercise, sometimes another one. It's like jumping from one action to another action without any difficulty. From some studying to another studying, from one language to another language. So, you're training many things with this exercise. Actually, while you're walking, it's more difficult even. So, try to study some new words during you are doing this exercise, or just speaking with someone, and you will see that this will be the pro version. Your brain will thank you. Your corpus callosum will thank you as you are training the corpus callosum at this moment. So don't forget to share this video with your friends that also want to study. Write me in the comment how you manage this one. And subscribe for more Mind Moves with Oksana. Everyday new, everyday challenge.